Shri Samast Mahajan Sanjeevani scheme is a crowdfunding platform for emergency medical treatments of underprivileged KDOs. It runs completely on donations from KDO Sansthas and individuals. So far, we have completed 69 cases and raised funds to the tune of 1.3 crore, and our 70th case got commissioned today. Shri Samast Mahajan's medical committee is strongly supported by its management trustees, secretary general, trustees and donors. I have a very supportive team members in medical committee. 11th April is World Parkinson's Day. It is an international day to create awareness about Parkinson's disease and how it affects individuals and families at large. It's a chronic neurological disorder with very complex symptoms unique to each individual. It's a perfect day to share a story of a KDO, Mr. Uttam Ghelabhai Dhulla, a chronic Parkinson's patient who was recently successfully treated with DBS surgery. Let us listen from their expert, Dr. Pankaj Agarwal, Global Hospital.
So, Mr. Uttam Dhulla had Parkinson's for several years, and he had great trouble with tremor or shaking of his hands. He could not walk properly when his medicines were not working. And after taking the medicine, he used to get uncontrollable dancing movements or dyskinesia, which was causing severe difficulty, and he had great trouble living his daily life. After counseling him, we proceeded to perform deep brain stimulation or DBS, and after the surgery, as you can see, he has had an excellent response with his dyskinesia almost disappearing, and also there is great reduction in the shaking or the tremor, and also a great reduction in the off periods that he used to experience earlier. So the surgery has been extremely helpful to him and his family.
मुझे पापा की 19 ईयर्स थी पार्किंसन डिजीज़ हो वो टाइम पापा के जो डिजीज़ चालू थे हुई वो टाइम आउं जस्ट बॉर्न थे हो तो मुझे मम्मी पापा के केम हॉस्पिटल में अन्य बाकी कई हॉस्पिटल में भी गनी हुई हुई और डॉक्टर्स को चा सर्जरी रेकमेंड किया અને સર્જરી ચા की बहुत रिस्की है અને સર્જરી કોસ્ટ भी 5 लाख रुपीस हो वो टाइम आसाला अफोर्डेबल जरा भी ना हो અને આશા માટે બીજો કોઈ ઓપ્શન ના हो કારણ કે પૂરો લાઈફ આણકે મેડિસિન જ કરનું કબજો पप्पा के वैक्सीनेशन ला गनी वियो तो पांचों केडियो में डोंबिवली मंडल जा विजय अंकल मुके मनीष मैडम थी मेला है पर मुके मैडम च्या कि आई जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल में खनी अच्छो और जुपिटर हॉस्पिटल में पप्पा के खनी आयो और जो अपॉइंटमेंट मुके मैडम ज मैंने बुक करे देना पर डॉक्टर आसान के चे कि अवर मेडिसिन की ज यूज़ ना है पान की सर्जरीज कराई नहीं खपती तो वो डॉक्टर मुके डॉक्टर पंकज अग्रवाल जो रेकमेंड किया बड़ा ग्लोबल हॉस्पिटल में वियो पप्पा जो ऑपरेशन जो वो DBS है कि एड़ा मशीन वेजा है और एड़ा वो कनेक्शन पास थी तो डॉक्टर जा रहे वो पप्पा जो करंट मशीन चालू किया कारण जा रहे वो करंट पास किया तो पप्पा जो मड़े हालचाल चेंज थे वो अने पप्पा प्रॉपर हली सकता हुआ जाओ एटू 19 वर्ष मुझे आज थे वो पप्पा के कड़े कहते नेरे ना है कि पप्पा कड़े तो प्रॉपर हलदा पप्पा बहुत मूवमेंट्स थी देवी पप्पा वो टाइम ते बहुत सारो हलदा हुआ मुझे एटली खुशी थी देवी एटली खुशी थी देवी क्या वो एक्सप्लेन क्या ना जमता मुझे एटली खुशी जो हुई देवी बहुत थैंकफुल है केडियो समस्त महाजन जो અને जो कोई भी डोनर જેટલા भी डोनर आसन की हेल्प किया है फंड रेस करेला और मड़े के बहुत आभार અહીંયા बहुत इंस्पायर किया मनीषा मैडम कि એટલો કે તો હેલ્પ કરે જો ફંડ્સ લા કરે ને પ્લસ મળે પ્રોસિજર કરે જો ગાઈડ કરે જો તો મળે જ એટલો મુકે बहुत इंस्पायर થયો અને મુકે એટલી ઇન્સ્પિરેશન મિલી કે આવો भी फ्यूचर में मुके कड़ी भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती आओ भी मड़ी के हेल्प कर दो અને आओ भी मुझे ट्रस्ट जो एक हिस्सा बन दो
Thus, in case you or your known KDO requires urgent medical attention and if you fall in low income category, kindly get in touch with us. We are here to support. We all believe that the heart and soul of Sanjeevani lies in supporting underprivileged KDOs. If we can build or rebuild the life of a community member, we must. Together, we can and we will.